Stumbled on a ZTC file while sorting through your music library settings? This is a configuration file tied to a popular MP3 tagging application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening and using these Zortam music tag configuration files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common ZTC Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. ZTC files are configuration files used by Zortam Mp3 Media Studio to store user preferences, settings, and tagging rules for the music management application. They contain serialized configuration data that controls how the program organizes tags and processes audio library content. ZTC files use a proprietary structured format written by Zortam Mp3 Media Studio, storing key value configuration pairs, application preferences, ID3 tagging templates, and library settings. The file is loaded automatically when the application launches to restore the user environment. Your primary software solution for ZTC files should be Zortam Mp3 Media Studio from Zortam. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows may allow quick editing, but altering settings without context may create issues. The easiest solution is often finding the right app. Right-click the ZTC file and choose Open With. Start with Zortam Mp3 Media Studio if available. If not, choose another option. Expect a little trial and error. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, opening with Zortam Mp3 Media Studio. Install Zortam Mp3 Media Studio and place the ZTC file in the application's configuration directory. Launch the program, and it will automatically read the ZTC file to restore your saved tagging preferences and library settings without manual import. Next, viewing in a text editor. Open the ZTC file in Notepad, or VS Code to inspect its contents. If the file uses plain text or XML structure, you can review configuration values and manually edit settings. Save changes carefully to avoid breaking the application's expected format. Finally, restoring default configuration. If the ZTC file is corrupted or causing issues, delete or rename it, then relaunch Zortam Mp3 Media Studio. The application will generate a fresh ZTC configuration file with default settings, allowing you to reconfigure preferences from a clean state. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.